So try this wireless thing. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I mean, it's been a year, but I just need to talk to them, right? My heart is racing. What do I say? I don't know. But it has to be done today. I know that much. It has to be done today. So, okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Hi. I don't even know. Honestly, I don't know how to start with you all. Oh my gosh, it's literally been about a year since I've been here in this space with you all. And to my official Glam Dollz, thank you so much for your patience in awaiting for me to return during my silence. And if you happen to be a newbie, like if you happen to be new and you're seeing me in this video, me in general, for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known as for being a beauty who's on a budget that loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, you know, turn on the bell notifications, especially now that I'm back, so you do not miss an upload, because yeah, I'm back and you don't want to miss what I'm going to be sharing. You don't want to do that. So have faith in me. Hit that subscribe button. And as I was saying to my official Glam Dollz, which means my subscribed Glam Dollz, thank you so much. Thank you. I cannot thank you all enough. Okay, so it's been about a year or more that I've been gone, and so much have happened, you know. As you all know, me being a caregiver for my aunt husband, my Auntie Ma, you know, I called her Auntie Ma. She passed away from COVID in April 2020. And no, me being a caregiver for her husband, he had, you know, dementia. So didn't even know that she passed away when she did. And dementia have like 7 different stages. I did not know that. I just thought dementia was, oh, you know, like somebody's forgetful or whatever. No. There are stages in dementia. And I walked with him through all 7 of those stages, including the final stage, which was his passing. Yeah. He passed away on January of 2025. And that, you know, you're never truly prepared for something like that. And I wasn't prepared, period, to be even in the role that I found myself to be in as being a caregiver. And, you know, being a caregiver or being a wife, having my family to care for, and then being a law student, because I'm still in law school, you know, being a law student and running a beauty business, MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics, okay? Especially to the newbies that's here on this channel, make sure you visit the website and you subscribe over there so you can get all types of beauty deals and alerts and whatnot. But as I was saying, you know, being a beauty business owner and just trying to find that balance for myself, and I lost sight of it all, you know, and I had to step back, even from my most sacred space, which was here in this community, because if nothing else was going right in my life behind me, this I knew was right. And I had to step away just so I can recenter myself and find my balance. especially after Uncle passed away. Yeah. Yeah. So, with that being said, I'm here, and what you can expect to get out of me is the consistency again. Beauty, hair, fashion, lifestyle, clips and tips. I've also considered, and not considered because I kind of already started it. There's content over there in my members only Patreon, and it's just behind the scenes of me balancing it all and sharing a bit more of me, and yeah, just a bit more me. I don't want to give away too much for over there because that's not what this video is about, and it's totally optional if you decide to join that Patreon over there. I'll have the information down in the description box below. But yeah, so wow, I'm back, and it feels good. You know, it feels good to sit here and just be back aligned with what brings me joy. So yeah, 2026 is here. I'm setting the tone. I didn't want to just start uploading content and you dolls be like, what is this? Well, she's not saying anything, you know, she's just putting out videos as if nothing ever happened. Yeah, well, this is the video that sets the tone for the new videos that's to come. Way more energetic, but this stillness right here was me finding a way to connect back to you all. Oh my gosh. Okay. I had notes of things I wanted to say, but I didn't say any of the things that's on this paper here because that would have been scripted, and that's not what I want. That's not what this community is about. Not content that's forced. Okay, if I would have went off this right here, it all would have been forced, and that's not what I want. I don't want to waste your time in doing that, and I certainly don't want to waste my time in having to do that. Okay, so no, I didn't go by the script. So this video is going to be very short. So this is me, Glam, coming back to the community, setting the tone, and if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, make sure your bell notifications are on because the content is going to start rolling out. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.